G'day, I'm Mark Hoth and welcome to Swift Almanac, where we teach you the basics of Swift in 10 minutes or less. Today's lesson is extensions. So let's have a look at extensions in 10 minutes or less. So an extension allows you to add new functionality to an existing class or structure or enumerator and protocols, and you can do anything with an extension that you could do with an extended class, struct, enum, or protocol. So you can add properties, methods, subscripts, etc. Now, predominantly in Swift app development, you will make use of them to make a class conform to a protocol. So normally you would have an extension of some data type and you would add the new functionality here. And when we add a protocol, we go extension some type, and we list the protocol that we want to extend to. And you can have multiple protocols which are just comma separated as a list, and then we implement the protocol methods as part of the extension. So how does it work? Well, we type the extension keyword and then the data type that we want to extend, and then we can create various different things here. So we can create a variable kilometer, which will be a double returning the self times 1,000. We can create a variable millimeter, which is the double time which returns the self divided by 1,000, and we can create a variable foot, and that will be returned the current value divided by 3.28084. So we can let 1 inch equals 25.4 dot millimeter, and it will do this conversion for us and tell us that this is how many millimeters in an inch. And we can go let 1 foot equals 1 dot foot, and that will have this value here of 30.47 centimeters, or 0.3047 meters. So if we look at the methods we can add, then we can extend int, and we can create this method function repetition. And so we want to have a function which returns a void, and for 0 to self, we're going to do this task. So if we pass the number 3 repetitions, we print hello, and we get these 3 hellos being printed. It's quite trivial. But the advantage of extensions is that you can break up a large class into one or more extensions, and you can place them in different files, so your source code is more workable. And we'll see this when we move to app development, that you may have a view controller, for instance, and that view controller is going to have to conform to a number of different protocols for text buttons and other controls, and you can put those protocol extensions into different source files and keep them out of the way so that your code remains clean and accessible. Well, that's it for extensions. If you have any questions about the tutorial, then please leave a comment below or hit me up on Twitter @SwiftAlmanac. Please subscribe to the channel, it's free, and check out our website at www.swiftalmanac.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.